back to my channel. I'm RaShoda and this is RaShoda's Reality. So y'all, today, if you can tell, your girl is in the car. My baby daddy. My baby daddy. Let me use his car. So I'm finna start working, y'all, so I can get up my money and get me a car. Cause yeah, we got better plans for this year. And we gonna get things done. I've logged into DoorDash. I've completed one order. It was $4.75, and gonna try to pick up everything I can, long as it's not too far away. But I'm gonna try to pick up all the orders today. If they come through, I'm getting it. Okay, we ain't got time to be sitting on no money. So I got the kids with me. They still doing their homeschool. They logged into the Wi-Fi, and we getting the day done. They want to ride, so I'm like, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. So we in the streets, y'all. So I'll take y'all with me. If you haven't already, please thumbs up this video. I hope you enjoyed the footage that I give to y'all today. Something a little different, you know. And if you're new here, I hope you consider subscribing. And if you're already subscribing, then welcome back. All right, y'all, let's get into the video.
A slob is a guy that thinks he's flying, this also known as a buster. Always talking about what he wants and just sits on his broke ass. So, no, I don't want your number, no. I don't wanna give you mine, and no, I don't wanna meet you nowhere, no. Don't want none of your time, and no, I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't.
Yeah, I made it to Panera Bread, and this order is $8.50. So we're gonna go ahead and get this order and keep it moving.
No love from me, hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. Taking me, but his game is kinda weak, and I know that he cannot approach me, cause I'm looking like class and he's looking like trash. Can't get with a deadbeat ass. So no, I don't.
I got the order.
I don't wanna give you mine.
Alright, so now we gotta go take it.
Don't want none of your time. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me, hanging on the passenger side of his best friend's ride, trying to holler at me. You don't have a car and you're walking, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. If you live at home with your mama, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. If you have a shorty that you don't show love, oh yes son, I'm talking to you. Wanna get with me with no money, oh no, I don't want no.
Okay, y'all, so that order is complete. Now we're gonna go on to the next one. Okay, y'all, so this is my next order at Chick-fil-A. It's for $7, so we're gonna go in and get it.
Focus on the face, no, no. Don't run away, don't run away. No, these days are for you, great, it's okay. Here on my own, but not for long. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on, there's another one waiting for you. Hang on, there's another one waiting. Hang on.
I got the order.
Hang on, there's another one waiting.
Okay, gotta go shopping. I'll say cash only. Oh. I have a red card for DoorDash. I can't shop. Oh, okay. Okay, y'all. The store said cash only, so I cannot do this order. So I'm gonna have to cancel it, which is a bummer because I had 2 orders. So yeah, gotta get that done now. So y'all, this is so exciting to me. It's like I haven't DoorDash in so long, and it just feels so good to get back into the groove of things. Because I've been staying, like I've been in the house for about a year, and I have worked. Yeah, I'm grateful. This is crazy because like I do Walmart delivery and DoorDash. So I think I only made like, I worked in March or April last year, only for like a week or a few days, and then I didn't work at all. I think did I work? I think yeah, and then I did not work at all for Walmart, so I was taken off of the platform for that. But I still got my job with DoorDash, so that's amazing that you can just hop back on when you feel like it. And that's one thing too, like I really don't want to go back to 9 to 5. I really just want to stay in my own lane, because if I want to get up and work, I can do it on my own time, any time of the day. Also, it'll work good around my kids' schedule and my schedule. I ain't gotta worry about nobody barking on orders or watching them on my back. Like, you just be yourself and just make as much money as you want. You ain't gotta worry about nobody saying, oh, you've capped out on your hours this week, we gotta send you home early. Oh my God, I don't know how many jobs have done that to me. You thinking you finna make some good OT, or you finna do so good and like making a real good check, bring home a good check, only for at the end of the week or that Friday they're like, oh, you can work 2 hours and go home to take all your little OT away. So I'm gonna really strive hard to keep pushing to do this. Also, that way I can use this, pay myself through my business company, and that way I can get a car and an apartment. So that's the plan, y'all. That's the plan. But it just feels so good. Oh my God, I'm so thankful. I thank God so much. Like, I just keep praying, keep having faith. Things gonna be okay. Everything's looking the straight and narrow, and I just gotta keep my eyes and my faith focused on the Lord, and that's all I can do. Right now. So yeah, y'all, it's up and it's up and it's up from here, yeah. I'm so excited. We dashing, y'all. We dashing through the roads in a one-horse open. Hey. Laughing at me.
Stop recording me.
That never gotta sweet that. You could bet that never gotta sweet that.
Cash, I'll be the rubber man, you'll be the match. I will be a fuse, boom. Painter, baby, you can be the muse. I'm the reporter, baby, you can be the news. You're the cigarette, and I'm the smoker. We raise the bet, cause you're the joker. You are the joke, and I could be the blackboard, you can be the top. I can be the fall, yeah, when the sky comes falling, even when the sun don't shine.
Okay, y'all, I'm going to Charlie's cheesesteak, and this one is $5.75. Okay, y'all, I got the order. Let's get it delivered. Okay, y'all, so I've been dashing since 10:30 this morning, and it's currently what time, y'all? 1:05 p.m. So we in the afternoon now, and I've done quite a few orders. It's very steady, it's busy, so I think I'm gonna make some good money today. So we just gonna keep it going.
Here on my own, but not for long.
gotta go to Walgreens. So we gotta start shopping some things. Okay, we gotta get the SPF 50 right here. All right, let's go. We went to Tropical Cafe, y'all. So we gotta pick up this order. Okay, y'all, so this is 2 orders from the Charlie's Cheesecake, and then we got another one from Tropical Smoothie. The pickup was right next to each other, so that's why I picked it up, but together it was $4. This order is $4.75 for this trip. I'm sorry. So hopefully the drop-offs are close together as well. So we're getting that done now. Alright, y'all, so we taking a 30-minute break. The kids want to stop at Cookout and grab them something to eat. So I'm getting them something to eat with their money, of course, not mine. And what else? We're gonna head back to the crib and let them, you know, take a bathroom break and all of that, and I'm gonna get back on the road. So yeah, but I think we're gonna go ahead and close out the vlog now. I hope y'all enjoyed the vlog, and I'll be back with more DoorDash runs, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.
Black girl, if you a 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 black girl, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing, do your thing. Black girl, if you a black girl, if you a black girl, if you a
JP, my neck, my back, so buttery brown. My neck, my back, my back, my back. My neck, my back, so buttery brown. Oh my, oh my, my neck, my back, my back, my neck, my back, my back, my neck.